Our first cycle is called Seaside, inspired by the town that one of our top Kajabi partners, Lane Sebring, calls home. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Kajabi's always serving up updates. They're making things better at every turn, and their latest development cycle was named after me. Let's check this out. Hey Lane, you may notice that Kajabi looks different today. We've been intentional about how we show up because appearance isn't cosmetic, it's communicative. How we present ourselves should reflect the experts we serve, credible, composed, and human, built for people doing real work, growing real businesses. This is the foundation for what comes next. Kajabi was built by listening closely to our heroes, moving quickly but with purpose, and letting real progress speak for itself. As we stepped into the next chapter, we want to bring you back into that rhythm. Development cycles are back at Kajabi. If you don't know this, the development cycles that they do is where they are making adjustments and they're working on things, and they do it cyclically so that they're always staying on top of making this powerful tool that we all use to run our businesses that much better. Starting today, we'll be building and shipping in focused 6-week cycles. Each cycle is designed to do one thing well, make Kajabi more powerful, more intuitive, and more worthy of the businesses you're growing. You see what we're working on, you'll understand why it matters, and you'll experience the progress as it ships, not months later, but along the way. What a cycle means for you: a clearer communication cadence, focused development, shipped regularly, no scattered updates, transparency, you'll know what's coming, what's in progress, and what just went live. Momentum you can feel. Kajabi should feel alive, evolving alongside your business. Yes, I agree, 100%. Seaside Development Cycle 1. Oh, gosh, I love this. Are you ready for it? We're naming each cycle thoughtfully, grounded in the people and stories that make Kajabi what it is. Our first cycle is called Seaside, inspired by the town that one of our top Kajabi partners, Lane Sebring, calls home. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Since joining Kajabi in 2019, Lane has supported over 2,000 heroes, helping them launch more than 7,000 products and generate over $9 million in revenue. Some of you, a lot of you, in fact, are probably a part of that. You're part of that 2,000 people that I've referred to Kajabi. That impact wasn't created through flashy tactics. It was built through earned expertise. Yes, yes, and amen. By the way, I feel like this would be a really good time for me to tell you that if you want to join Kajabi, you should be like one of these other 2,000 people who have used my link to join. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get all 3 of my exclusive bonuses. The Kajabi Accelerator course, which will help you get the best possible start on the platform, hit the ground running, successful from day one. My top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make. Exclusive masterclass. This is what I did after I met one-on-one with 400 people, which they're going to mention that I used to do that. I used to meet one-on-one with the first 400 people who joined using my link. I did 45-minute one-on-one calls with them, and I learned a lot about what leads to success, what leads to failure, what makes someone have a successful business a year down the road, what makes someone fizzle and quit a year down the road. And I put all of it into a masterclass that is yours for free when you use my link to join, and you get my 25K course launch email template, plus a 30-day free trial. All of that is yours for free because when you use my link, I get a small commission, and it's, you win, I win, Kajabi wins. It's a win-win-win situation. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Lane Sebring, entrepreneur and passive income expert. Yeah, that sounds good. I like the word expert. 2,000 plus heroes supported since 2019. Dang, this guy's cool and he's good looking. Early on, he spent countless hours offering free 1:1 calls to help others get unstuck and their businesses get going the right way. No funnel, no pitch, just clarity, experience, and guidance from someone who had already walked the path and who was dang handsome. I added that last part. It's just editorial note. That depth of knowledge paired with genuine commitment to service became the foundation of a scaled, values-driven hero business and a personal mission to help 1,000 creators build sustainable 6-figure businesses. Lane's story reflects the kind of experts Kajabi exists to serve: people who earn trust through results, build systems that last, and raise the standard for what online business can be. Okay, so I'm reading this a little bit tongue-in-cheek because it's about me. that can be awkward. Even for someone who loves themselves as much as I do, it can be a little bit awkward, but this is cool. Like I'm pumped up by this. I think this is pretty neat. And I'm like so honored by it. When I got this email, I was like, dang, they love me. They really love me. Seaside represents that same mindset, calm, intentional, and grounded on a strong foundation. By the way, if you don't know what Seaside is, you know what? Actually, I need to be a little bit more like seaside appropriate. I don't feel like I don't look the part right now. Give me just a second. All right, so I'm back, and I look a little bit more seaside appropriate. Oh, I've got my Spindrift Mojito, and of course, my attire, as it were. Seaside represents that same mindset, calm, intentional, grounded on a strong foundation. That's the bar we've set for every development cycle moving forward. Before we get into the updates that Kajabi is doing, we need to see a little feature of Seaside. What's Seaside like? Well, let me take you on a little tour. What we're building in the Seaside cycle. Automations, smarter branching paths build real segmentation flows in one automation instead of duct taping 5 together. Cleaner logic, fewer workarounds. I love this. Okay, so Kajabi has always been kind of the master of automations. You can say, if this action happens, then do this other action. So if customer clicks on this button, open this, send them this email. If they open this email and click on it, then send them this follow-up offer. All these kind of things that have always been there. And with smarter branching paths, you can have like a better visual flow of the automation start to finish. Automation, so improved wait nodes, trigger messages and actions at the right moment, by date, by day, by time, not just X days later. So you can be very specific on when something goes out. This is especially important if you're doing a time-sensitive launch where it all builds up to a specific date. You can set those automations to happen on a specific date. Revamped upsells, fully customizable, reusable upsell pages that actually match your brand and make increasing AOV easier than ever. So the upsells, another big part of Kajabi, you always want to be able to take an offer and when someone purchases that offer to help, invite them into another offer that will serve them at an even deeper level, and it will increase your average order value. That's what AOV means. So it's fully customizable, reusable upsell pages that actually match your brand, making increasing AOV easier than ever. So the pages are going to now match your brand. They're going to be reusable. That's going to be cool. Clickable video chapters. Let members jump straight to the moments that matter, turning long videos into easier, navigatable learning. Love that. Course drip by specific date. Release content on real calendar dates so everyone progresses together. No more weekly manual publishing. Unified media library, a centralized source of truth for videos with folder-based organization, reuse across key in-app experiences, foundational performance insights, and support for additional file types in future releases. Love that. Member subscription cancellation feedback. So learn why members cancel and capture actionable insights instead of losing them silently. This is really good if you've ever ran any kind of community or membership site. There is something called churn. This is where people leave the membership, and the more insight you can get about why someone leaves, the easier it is going to be to retain the people that you have, and maybe even to win back some of the people who have left, because maybe they left because it was a misunderstanding, or it's something that you do offer that they didn't know you offered, or it's something that you could fix. You could. It's an update that you could do, and you retain that person. So it will help with retention and all that. Win back canceled members. Automatically re-engage past and canceling members with the right message at the right time in recover lost revenue. So not only do they have the cancellation feedback, but they have the other part where you can win back canceled members. I feel like they're tackling a big issue, which is always going to be present when you have a paid subscription service, which is, are people leaving and how can you mitigate that loss? Instant community badges recognize members in real time with on-the-spot badges, which reinforces progress, status, and momentum. So yeah, the thing that I love about this is if you have a community, one of the biggest challenges is always to get people to engage in the community. So anything that you can do to encourage that, like badges and recognition, will help. So the fact that it's done in real time on the spot is going to really help that. 2 foundational initiatives in progress. One focused on helping creators move fast from idea to execution, and the other on delivering high-touch, longer-lasting member relationships. Looking forward to seeing how that goes. 90% of the work in this cycle was directly shaped by hero feedback shared on feedback.kajabi.com. If there's anything you want to see improved or built next, that's where we're listening and prioritizing. This is just the beginning. Each cycle will build on the last, leading to compounding progress. Kajabi exists to give your expertise real leverage. Our responsibility is to deliver a system that keeps your trust. We're glad you're here for what comes next, the Kajabi team. Well, this is cool. I love it. I love that Kajabi is doing these updates, which is cool. I love that they named it after me and that they named it after Seaside. I think that's just so cool. So if you're not a part of Kajabi yet, we're having a lot of fun over here. You should go check it out, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. And if you do that, you're going to need to know like what to do the first day that you're on there, the second day, the third day, during that 30-day free trial that you're getting. So you should check this playlist out, which is called Your First 30 Days on Kajabi. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on. So you'll hit the ground running and get all the success from the very start. Just click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.